guys, so today I'm actually reviewing the red one from Hada Labo, the Gokujyun Alpha Lotion. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if there's something you're into, like, subscribe, share, check out the links below, or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so Hada Labo has a lot of different lotions and toners and essences, and these are the basic lines from them. So the red is typically the anti-aging line. The blue, I believe, is brightening. Yes, whitening or brightening. I think they've changed it. The label says whitening. I think it's brightening now. The white is typically their hydrating, hyaluronic products. The gold ones are typically their soothing, calming products. The green ones, anti-acne products. And then, of course, the yellow, Melano-CC, they're vitamin C products. And I have to say, you know you have a skincare problem when you have to dust off your skincare products. Then it's like it's becoming a problem. So this one's a little dusty. But anyway, today I'm talking about the red version, which is their Alpha Lotion, which the packaging changed a little bit on this one since I picked it up. But anyway, going to let you guys know my thoughts on it. And anyway, okay. Okay, so they say reverse signs of aging while keeping moisture levels high with this emulsion packed with active ingredients, 3 types of hyaluronic acid, formula free of fragrances, mineral oils. It's suitable for sensitive skin, and I agree with most of that. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging, and no issues with the packaging. I like the packaging. I think it's kind of fun. I like the color-coded ideas. I think that's kind of brilliant. Although they aren't inherently obvious. Like, I would have thought the whitening or brightening one might have been in the white bottle, but anyway, I was wrong with that. So, okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It also does not have any fragrance in it, and it is manufactured in Japan. So, in terms of easeability, ease of use, so this one's got a really nice lotion texture. A little bit of this one goes a very long way. So, after cleansing or toning, if you use a toner, and just apply a little bit, and just apply it like you would like a essence or a serum. It's got a really light texture. A little bit of this one goes a very long way, so I see why this brand is so popular, because these bottles are huge, and a lot of these products really, a little bit goes a very long way with them, so very nice. So anyway, so you can pat it on the skin, lotion texture, dime size amount will cover your whole face and neck. And I like to use this one in my evening routine after cleansing and toning. And sometimes water-based serums, I'll use this afterwards because it's a little bit thicker than some of those. So it just depends. And then apply your moisturizer afterwards. This one is also, I feel like this one's a good light moisturizer for like summer or humid weather or humid environments. Some people don't live in Minnesota where half the year it's below freezing. Half the year, so this one probably will work for them year round, but in Minnesota this one works about 6 or 7 months out of the year. And then if you use this, be sure to layer another product over it if you're in a drier environment, because this contains hyaluronic acid, which sucks in the moisture from outside, so apply a good thick cream over it to prevent any reverse dryness. So there we go. Very nice, very easy to use. Okay, in terms of beneficial ingredients, so we've got several different humectants. We've got methyl glucose ester, which is a humectant with glucose. Then we've got inositol, which is a humectant. It's actually also in a lot of vitamins, I think, I want to say. Then we've got more exciting. We've got lactobacillus soybean ferment, which is a really good skin conditioning ingredient and really helps with the skin barrier. A lot of people have really good luck with that. Very nice ingredient. We've got meadowfoam oil, which is a good emollient, and it also contains some good antioxidant components such as vitamin E and phytosterols. Also a good source of fatty acids and feels non-greasy on the skin, which is really nice. We've got phytosterol macadamia, which is, I think, is a sterols combined with macadamia oil, which is emollient, barrier repairing, and skin identical ingredient. And we've got phytosterol octoglycyl lauryl glutamate, which is an amino acid emollient and barrier repairing ingredient. We've got hydrolyzed collagen, which is a great emollient, very hydrating. Then we've got those sodium hyaluronate, sodium acetylated hyaluronic, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, which is are all humectants. So a nice ingredient list overall in terms of hydration, things like that. In terms of animal testing, unfortunately, Hada Labo is not cruelty-free at this point. They must be sold in China, I'm guessing. So, although a lot of that's been changing over the time too. So, I don't know. Keep an eye on it. Hopefully that'll change soon. Okay, in terms of performance, so this one's very nicely hydrating, layers very nicely under other products. And once it soaks in, I mean, initially it looks like it's very shiny, but once it soaks in, it feels really nice on the skin, and it's not as shiny, but initially it looks kind of shiny. So very nice. For my skin, which is dry, again, living in a dry climate, tends to work best if I apply this onto damp skin and follow with a hydrating serum or a good thick moisturizer over it. And the really nice thing for this one is this one plays well with most skin types, including sensitive, acne-prone, dry, and oily skin types. It's very friendly to everything, and there's no real ingredients of note for acne-prone skin. So that is pretty wonderful, because sometimes it's hard to find products that are very friendly to acne-prone skin. Then in terms of the price, so this is 140 milliliters, retails for about $15, so it's a pretty affordable product. Especially the fact that 140 milliliters of a lotion texture, lotion-y serum texture will last quite some time. Last but not least, in terms of the it factor, it's very nice. It works very well. A lot of people love this product. It's great. It's very simple. It will work well for most skin types, which makes it really wonderful. Is it the it factor to me? It's not like a must-have. It's really nice. Certainly enjoy it. Really like a lot of their products. They're very simple but well formulated. It's not a must-have. It's not something I'd go out of my way to repurchase, but I definitely want to try like the toner from this line and see, because Hada Labo is pretty wonderful for the most part. I think all of these are fragrance-free. I think the Melano CC toner might have a little bit of fragrance, and the acne line might have an essential oil in there, but for the most part, these are all very friendly for all skin types. So really nice product overall. Certainly worth checking out, especially if you have acne prone skin or live in a humid environment or just want something that's pretty affordable and very minimalist formula. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I have this one an 8. Really wonderful overall. Well worth checking out. Interested from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet, or if you've tried anything else out from their lines. Leave a comment what your thoughts are. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.